What if I told you that how you pass down your wealth could either secure your family's future or accidentally hand it over to the IRS? That's what nearly happened to Jerry and Linda from Scottsdale, Arizona. They worked hard. Jerry as an engineer, Linda as a high school principal. They thought they had their estate all figured out until a quiet financial move, one they made just in time, completely changed everything. And that move? It started with a free gold IRA guide. But before I share their story, let's talk about why so many American retirees are now turning to gold IRAs, not just as a hedge against inflation, but as a smart estate planning tool. Because here's the reality. Estate taxes are back in the headlines. Just last week, economists warned that the current estate tax exemption, $13.6 million per couple, is set to sunset in 2026, possibly cutting it in half. And if that happens, tens of thousands of families could face massive tax bills on inherited IRAs, 401ks, and other assets they thought were protected. Add to that a volatile stock market, a national debt that's ballooned past $34 trillion, and whispers of higher capital gains taxes under the next administration, and suddenly, just leave it in the market. Doesn't feel like a real plan anymore. But here's where Jerry and Linda's story gets interesting. In 2022, after watching the markets tumble and their traditional IRA lose nearly $97,000 in just 3 months, Jerry started researching alternatives. He wasn't looking to strike gold. He was looking to preserve what they had built. That led him to a gold IRA rollover. He didn't cash everything out. He rolled over just $486,000, about 40% of their IRA, into a self-directed gold IRA. Physical gold, stored in a secure, IRS-approved depository. No gimmicks, no free silver coins, just education. What Jerry didn't expect was how much more control it gave them in their estate plan. Because unlike paper assets, a gold IRA can be directly assigned to beneficiaries. There's no forced liquidation, no exposure to last-minute market drops, and critically, no required minimum distributions that might push your estate into a higher tax bracket during retirement. Jerry even told me, it's not about gold. It's about peace of mind. Now maybe you're wondering if something like this could fit into your own retirement or estate plan. You don't need to guess. That's exactly what the free gold IRA guide is for. It breaks everything down, how it works, what the IRS allows, who it's for, and what to watch out for. And here's the best part. It includes a no obligation call with a real expert, not a salesperson, no pressure, just one-on-one education to help you decide if it's the right fit. Jerry and Linda started with that same free call. Today, they sleep better knowing their wealth is protected, passed down clearly, and no longer at the mercy of Wall Street. And if you've worked hard to build your retirement, shouldn't you protect it the smart way too? Click the link below to get your free gold IRA guide and book that no-pressure call. Again, this isn't about flashy medals or hype. It's about securing what matters most for you and the people you love. Don't wait for Congress to change the rules before you protect what's yours. Get the guide. Book the call. Your legacy deserves it.